Welcome to Lift the Lid, and here to share with you today my all-time favourite product, Divine Face Oil. This hero product is great if you're new to the range. It's perfect for people with dry skin and also oily or combination skin. This Divine Face Oil is 100% natural, fully certified organic and full of clean beauty ingredients. The key active ingredients are rosehip oil and nutrient-rich avocado oil from pollution-free New Zealand. Now, avocado is a fantastic ingredient for the skin. It's full of essential fats and vitamins. It helps to draw and hold moisture in the skin and is a natural filter for UVA sunlight. It's also shown to support and help boost collagen in the skin. And we combine it with rosehip oil, which helps to even out the skin tone and reduce any scarring that you may have. Now, you only need a few drops of this product, and it's perfect to use after your cleanser. Can also be used on top of a water-based product and before a cream-based moisturizer. As part of our Scientific Green Beauty collection, this formulation is scientifically shown to stimulate type 1 collagen by 51%. So what that means is it helps support and boost collagen production in the skin and reduce the signs of early aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. A product loved and used by everyone, including the media. This product's won multiple awards and features in some of the top glossy magazines, including recently People magazine in the US. Thanks for joining me at Lift the Lid, and look forward to seeing you next week.